Hi there everybody. We're going to make some applesauce and we're doing it here in the Instapot, and I'm going to show you the two different kind of cores I use to take the core out of my apples. We have this one here and we have this one here, and I have my grandmother's wooden one and I can't find it. So I'm a little stressed out, but that's okay. So I've already got some cord in the Instapot, and what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how this one works. And here's the apple. You want to put it just like this, go right through the center, and you want to pull back, and there you have it right there. There's a little bit of seed right there. So what happens when there's a little bit, I just go right back in, just like that, and pull it out. Just like that. And then we're going to have apples. The scraps are going to the chickens. And then we're going to use this one. This one here, I like both of them, and probably this one the best. You push it through. Then you take the other part. You pull it out just like that. Then you take this and you push it out just like that. And if it doesn't come out, I'll just bang it like that. But it usually just comes right out. So here's apple core 1, apple core 2. I prefer this one. This is more well, this one's kind of like my grandmother's, but my grandmother's is all wood and very sturdy. So I'm going to show you what's in here. Instapot here. We have the apples. We have Granny Smith and Paula Red. And I have 1 cup of apple cider. And I'm going to put these on manual. Hear it sing to me. Putting it on the manual for 3 minutes. Manual, 3 minutes, and it's going to start, and then I'm going to put it through a food mill, a Foley Food Mill that I have, to take the skins and maybe whatever seeds I have out. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to mix it real quick. Put cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and some sugar, and we're going to cook it in the Instapot. I'm not sure if I'm going to freeze it or if I'm going to can it. Like I always say, you never know. I'll bring you back. Hi there, folks. I'm back. 3 minutes. I went to use the slow release, and there was applesauce sputtering everywhere. See, you always take the cover away from you so you don't get that in the face. See what happened? A piece of skin got caught right there. So probably next time I'll peel them, but I opt not to this time. And I want to show you what they look like. They're right here. They cooked up really well. I'm thinking probably I'm going to freeze these. And some I'm not going to use any sugar because my dad's a diabetic. So I'm just taking it out and gonna put it in the food mill and show you a little bit on what I'm going to do. And I think probably, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it on the stove, finish it in the stove. I don't know. You know me, like I always say, you never know. I'm not sure. There's a little more liquid than I care to have, but I think it's because you need the liquid in your Instapot, and I needed at least a cup because I had it filled with apples. And you can see this. It actually cooked down really well. I don't know if you can see it or not. But anyways, I'm going to show you how this works. This is the Foley Food Mill, and you're just going to grind it, bring it back, and you're just going to do this, and I'll show you about how it collects all the skins, and there shouldn't be hardly any seeds because I cored it out already. what I may do, I'm not going to get a whole lot of applesauce, so I may just end up putting this slow on the stove and cooking it down there. So, let me show you here. And then I got to get some haddock in the oven. We're going to have baked haddock tonight for supper with a white sauce and with some brown rice, I think. So I've had since I got home from my parents, I've been quite busy actually. Okay, just going to show you. I collect anything that's underneath, just like that. Whoops. But can you see this wonderful sauce? See how nice that looks? Nice and yummy. And that's how the Foley Food Mill works. So, you never know with me. I just went and got my mini 3-quart Instant Pot. And it's up to, let me see here. Can't really see, but we have that much in it. It's not up to the max line. So I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and in here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice seasoning. Just like that. And I'm going to give it a good stir. And then what I'm doing is I am going to hit the slow cook button. Actually, this is not a bad consistency at all. I could freeze it at this consistency. I'm just going to cook it and warm up all that sugar and all those spices that I just put in. And oh, it smells really good. I have to show you. Look how wonderful this looks. Oh, set up here on my divider. Look at that. Look at the consistency. It actually is a very good consistency right now. Look at that. Very, very good. But I'm just gonna heat it for an hour or two and get everything nice and warm and let it cool, and then I'll decide what I'm gonna do. I could can it, I could freeze it. Stay tuned. We'll find out what's next. I'm back. Guess what? Decide to can it. I would have had 1 more pint. I would have got 4 pints just with the apples I used. But we had some with our dinner tonight. We had baked haddock and rice and applesauce. Yum! So I just finished washing my hands. I've got the hot water bath going here now. We're going to put that in for 20 minutes. This here, I use a chopstick just to get any bubbles out that I may have. Just like that. There we go. And let's see, we need 2 regulars. Oh, got them out already. We got our lids right here. 2 regulars and a wide mouth pints. Just like that. We want to wipe the glass jar around, because if not, and you end up getting anything on it, then it's not going to seal. You want about a 1/2 inch headspace, and this is a hot water bath for 20 minutes for pints. So there you have it, just like that. Where's my grabber? This here's my MAINEiac grabber. My glasses keep falling down. I'm tired. It's very late right now. See the MAINEiac right there? You're going to go like this. You're going to grab a lid. You're going to pop it on. Then you're going to take a cover, and then you're going to put it on. And you're going to screw it on. Finger tight, like this. Wow, maybe this cover's not. There. Wow, I think this cover is a defunct cover. So we're not using that cover. Acts like it's warped. So we'll take another one. There, much better. You want to finger tight it, and then you want to back it off. Finger tight and back off just a hair. You're going to put it on just like that. Now we're going to take the wide mouth lid. We're going to slide it on just like that. Just like that. Then we're going to take the cover. Finger tight, and then you just want to back it off. Finger tight and back it off just a hair. Just like that. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to go back and get another cover. I don't see one right here. And then I'm going to put it in the hot water bath for 20 minutes. I'll bring you back. I just took them out of the canner, and now I can go to bed. Tired. They look wonderful. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. Just so you see how yummy that is. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize that I'm getting some, whoops, there goes a pop, some action on my channel. And you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Like I say, you never know what's going to be on my video. Time to go to bed. Good night.